Hi, what's up? My name's Josh.
My name's James.
And we're Forever Young here at 10 Sound Effects in Real Life. George! What the is your problem, you son of a... and you little... Hope you enjoyed this 10 sound effects. Remember to like, comment and subscribe if you did. More comedy and trick shots of all types, including ping pong and basketball, are coming up very soon. We post every week on Sunday. Let us know what you thought in the comments below and suggest other videos. Thank you so much to James. Signing off. See you guys.